Cause he gonna need help catching me. I'm gonna be gone. This is beautiful. I'm more scared of stepping on a snakehead than a bobcat. Take your time, at least take our time walking back. We just saw some bobcat track. They want to turn around. We just saw some bobcat track. And I hear something in the bushes over there. These mosquitoes are killing me. But they want to turn around. I gotta come out here with the homies. Family. This ain't what they are. Well, I tell y'all when we go on nature trails, put on tennis shoes and put on nature clothes. You don't wear jean shorts on a nature trail. That's just something you don't do. Welcome to Florida.